Okay guys, so ang tutorial natin sa ngayon ay kung paano tayo mag-add ng Bluetooth icons sa ating taskbars dito sa Windows 11. Okay, so ang unang gagawin natin guys ay click natin itong Start and then All Apps. At hanapin natin dito guys yung Settings. Okay, so nandito siya guys. And then click Bluetooth and Devices. Okay, pagdating dito guys, ay click natin tong View More Devices. Then, More Bluetooth Settings. Okay? Click natin to. And then, i-check natin to guys na show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. And then, apply. Okay. Then, close na natin to guys. And tingnan natin kung nandito na yung ating Bluetooth icon. So, ayan na po siya guys. Okay? So, kanina po siya ay wala. Okay? So, kung paano naman alisin, click nyo lang to guys. And remove icon. Okay? So, at remove icon. Okay? So, nawala na siya. And kung i-add nyo naman guys, same procedure po nung kanina. Okay? Ganyan lang po guys, mag-add and remove Bluetooth icon sa ating taskbar in Windows 11. Okay, kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video and kung nakatulong po ito sa inyo, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you so much guys sa panonood. God bless and bye-bye.